Before launching your product or before signing up for payment gateways, you might need to make your privacy policy and other stuff. And in order to do that, in Indicate, you have to go to src/content/policies. And here you will see there are markdown files. And it comes with pre-filled terms and condition and other stuff. And you can just copy it and paste it in ChatGPT or other places. And you can ask it to, create privacy policy and other stuff according to you. And if you are using Dodo Payments, you can come to dodopayments.com/tools/policy generator. Here you can generate your privacy policies. Like my name is Charanjit Singh, business name is SS Enterprises, google.com. Let's generate the policy and you can copy it as HTML and you can convert it to Markdown online. And you can paste it here. So this is how you can configure the privacy policy and other stuff. You can also create a refund policies like this. Apart from privacy policy, you also get access to the contact us form. And this contact us forms entries will be automatically loaded here in the messages section of SuperAdmin. In order to configure this particular address and other stuff, you can go to config.ts inside src/lib and you can update this legal address and other stuff.